Why you choose FITORON Robot Vacuum Cleaner Sweeping. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The bilateral poly sweeping is more efficient, and the side brushes are lengthened to clean the dirt from the side seams and sweep it to the vicinity of the suction port. Strong suction. The vacuum suction port eliminates entanglement, and quickly cleans dirt, hair, and other debris. Nylon wire filter. The dirt collecting box of the sweeper is designed with nylon wire filter, which can effectively intercept dirt and garbage and secondary pollution. Using the universal wheel design, it can get out of trouble intelligently, and can cope with various home environments. The maximum body is 2.76 inches, which can smoothly enter the sofa and clean under the bed. 1500 large capacity lithium battery, a single working time of about 120 minutes, cleaning area of about 150 square meters, easy to get a large apartment. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.